GAF EverGuard heat weldable cover tape is great for finishing perimeter areas where non-weldable edge metal has been used. Once all edge metal is installed and fastened to specifications, it is important to clean the edge metal and the membrane 7 to 8 inches onto the roof deck with EverGuard seam cleaner and allow the membrane to dry. The metal must then be primed to ensure proper adhesion. Using a small paint roller, coat only the edge metal with EverGuard TPO primer. Primer in the weld area on the membrane will lead to a bad weld. If the primer is on the weld area, clean it with EverGuard seam cleaner until all primer is removed and allow it to dry before proceeding. To ensure your cover tape maintains an even reveal along the roof edge, guide marks will be needed. Measure approximately 6 3/8 inches from the roof edge and make guide marks along the length of the deck sheet parallel to the edge metal. Roll out a manageable length of the cover tape, aligning it with the hash marks. With a hand welder, tack weld the starting end of the cover tape to hold it in place. Start 5 inches from the tack weld with an automatic overlap welder and weld the cover tape to the roof deck. Make sure the edge of the cover tape maintains alignment with the guide marks while welding. Once completed, the remaining portion near the tack weld can be finished with a hand welder. Fold back the cover tape and peel off the release film. Using a silicone roller at a 45-degree angle, roll and adhere the adhesive side of the tape to the edge metal, making sure there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Probe all of the seams to ensure your welds are free of any voids before applying EverGuard cut edge sealant on both edges of the cover tape. Make sure to stop the cut edge sealant 6 inches from any joints to allow for seam and corner patches.